Hey friends, it's Natalia. Welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a vlog style video where I am preparing for spring decor. So in my last video, you guys saw that I got some new things for spring this year, but I also want to go through my decor bins that I have already and just kind of start purging and donating some items that, either I don't like anymore or just are not my style anymore, and that way I can start off from scratch. And then I'm also going to be going to Bath and Body Works because they have their hand soaps on sale, and you guys know I love that store. But yeah, let's go ahead and spend some time together and let's get started. Our first stop is at Bath and Body Works. They had so many new scents this year for spring and summer months. So many of them smell so good. This Tiki Beach, I think, is one of my favorites.
Thank you.
I also stopped at Walmart a few days before this, and I wanted to show you what they had in store. I didn't buy anything this day, but I think I may have to stop and get this beautiful wreath. They had these last year at Target. Isn't that funny? How they just bring them back, but at another store. Oh, these are cute. The very infamous bunnies here. These are $9.98. They're good size. I don't know how I feel about them though. I don't know. You like that one? Yeah. I was really impressed with Walmart's pillow collection. They had this entire wall with some very beautiful pillows at super affordable prices. This one here is like perfect for spring. They have this new brand called My Texas House, and they just have the most gorgeous pillows and pillow covers if you want to check them out. You guys, look at these. They have machine washable area rugs. Like, oh my gosh. Look at this, 5x7. This one's kind of already open so you can see. It feels thin, but oh my gosh, like really? How cool is that? Okay, so here is the haul from Bath and Body Works. It's a little mini haul, and I'm also going to show you what I got at Target. Okay, so I had a 20% off coupon. Soaps were on sale for, I think, $3.95 or something, and so were the wallflowers. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but I also had a free, like, travel size body care item, $7 men's care item. Gotta shop the sales, sign up for their emails. They have an app now, so you can do that. But I'm gonna start off with the hand soaps because that's what I went in for. And here we go. Mahogany coconut. This is the one that I got right here. and it smells amazing. It's creamy coconut, mahogany woods, and lavender. Very yummy. And then the other one, I love the, I've told you guys I like the White Barn labeling. This one is white tea and sage, fresh tea, lemon, and herbs. And it's pretty little packaging. So you guys know, the blue and the green, right? I'm like really sticking to this theme this year. Can you tell? Can you tell? And then I got one last soap. Yeah, one last soap, and I thought this would be cute for like the kids. I actually love this scent, and then when I saw that they had it in this Easter print, I was like, gotta get it. And it's this one, Somebody Loves You, and it's Pink Apple Punch, which is crisp apples, sun-kissed melon, and sugar crystals. It smells so good. Perfect for Easter season. And
I'm not sure I understand.
This thing's talking to me. Anyway. Okay, so for the men's care item, my tween, Lucas, is going to be 12 in like a few days. And so he requested something. This is what happens when you shop with your boys, right? And he got this Clean Slate men's collection body spray. And it's marine citrus, blue sage, and sandalwood. So, I want him to smell good. If you know, you know. So that's it for those. And then I got wallflowers, of course. This one is new to me. I've never had it before. Not like have it like I eat it, but you know what I mean. I've never had it before. It's Fresh Sheets. Okay, and that one, what are the notes on this? It smells amazing. It's crisp citrus, clean lavender, and watery apple. And then the next one is, this was new to me too. It's a new fragrance, Among the Clouds. It's pink. Among the Clouds, fruity and happy, and it's wild berry skies, whipped vanilla, and clouds. Like what kind of fragrance note is that? A cloud? I don't know what a cloud smells like, but apparently it's in here. Next is Cocoa Paradise. This is also a new scent. And this one says salted coconut manoi, sugared neroli, and bronzed sandalwood. Yeah, this sounds so fancy. But yeah, this is like a pretty rosy color. And lastly, I wanted to find the soap in this so bad, but they didn't have it. It's Tiki Beach. And this one is warm vanilla musk, orchids, and toasted coconut. Amazing. Okay. And the last thing that I got at Bath & Body Works is my favorite hand cream. I have never been one that likes hand cream because I don't know, it feels like super greasy to me and I just don't like that feeling in my hands. But I found this one by chance because they gave it to me as a freebie one time. And so I had a coupon again for another freebie, and so I went right for it. And it's this hydrating hand cream with hyaluronic acid. Okay, so, as you get older, your hands, they dry up. I mean, I don't know about you, but my hands get like super dry, like right here. And so this smells amazing. And hyaluronic acid, can't go wrong with that. It makes them like super soft. And all I have to do to not feel that residue is basically like rub it off on my clothes when I'm done putting it on, and then I'm good. I keep one in my car because that's usually when I'm actually looking at my hands while I'm driving. Sometimes, whatever, I notice them anyway. But yeah, that's it for Bath & Body Works. Okay, so of course I went to the Target dollar spot because I just can't help myself. So I picked up a few things there as well. I think I did pretty good though. Like I didn't go overboard, The first item I got is an Easter item, and it's this little bunny charcuterie board. I thought it'd be cute, to complement. I don't know if I'll actually use it as a charcuterie board. I think I just may use it as like a decor piece because it's really cute. $5 for this. And then I also got for my kitchen, I thought this was really pretty. It's an egg holder, and it was $3. And I love, love, love the color on this. And I have like little wooden eggs that I could put in here. So that was cute. And that's it for the kitchen. So the other items I got, okay, so I found this $5 woven throw blanket in this pretty blue color. I love these little cheap blankets because I like to put them on my blanket ladder because they're really more for display than anything. It's not like I need to like cozy up with this. So yeah, $5. I love the blue. Perfect. And then I got, I actually may not use this in my living room. I may use this in the boys' room. So this might give you a little hint as to what's going on in there color-wise. But it's this macrame plant hanger. And this was $5 and it's this pretty green. And then I showed you in my last haul video that I have this bowl here with the orbs, and so I wanted something like moss, here we go, a bag of moss for $3 to put under it, just to kind of protect the orbs, because this is all like terracotta and ceramic, and so I didn't want it to, like, I don't know, get damaged or anything like that. So adds a little bit of green, makes it interesting. And I also got this little pump and plant mister, $3. I love the color on this. It looks antique-ish, you know, and it could be a decor piece. And this is a fun buy here. This is the last thing I got. I got a little bird feeder. Okay, so this has suction cups that came with it, and I was thinking of putting it by our balcony. Okay, by our balcony, like on the door there, so that we can, you know, put a little bird seed in here and have the little birds come and visit. And then I also
like that.
Yeah, like that.
For like channel.
For like channel. Okay, guys. So I didn't tell you this, but it's been like 2 or 3 weeks since we were out, you know, playing out by the garage and stuff. Actually, it wasn't me. It was Ronnie. Ronnie and the boys were out there playing and stuff. And then I got called down because apparently a little quail walked into our garage, which is like totally random. It was hurt. And at first we didn't know. Like, my husband thought it was like an acorn or something on the floor. And he almost kicked the poor thing. But he noticed that it moved. And yeah, so we have this little quail. It was injured at the time. I think his wing and his foot, I don't know. He was just walking into our garage, and I feel like our pets find us because we also have a pet turtle, like an aquatic turtle, and we found him at church, like outside. It's like they pick us. I don't know. This quail was not meant to be a pet, but the boys just don't want to let him go. I think he's fully recovered now. We nursed him back to health. We have him in our garage in like a tank, like a fish tank, like a big fish tank. And so, sorry, my allergies. Yeah, I'll put in a little picture or a clip here so that you guys can see him. And they named him the weirdest name ever. I think it was because Caleb just made up a word and they kind of stuck with it. His name is Chennel. Chennel. So it's Chennel, our little pet quail, and we were supposed to just keep him temporarily until he got better and then let him loose. But now Noah doesn't want him to get eaten by all the iguanas outside, Mommy. So, you know, he would, like, the tears came. He did not want Chennel to go away. So I don't know. I guess we have a pet quail. I feel bad though because he's by himself. If you know anything about quails, I think this is a male, just from the markings, the feather markings. So no eggs for me, but I kind of feel bad that he's by himself. So I don't know what to do. Like, do I buy another quail to keep it company? If you know anything about quails, let me know because I know nothing. All right, so now I'm going to start going through my decor. I have 4 bins that I have to go through, and I want to purge. You know I have a lot of stuff in here that I didn't use last year, and I still kept it. So I just got to go through this and start purging. Okay, so don't judge me. Here are all the bins. When I told you I had plenty of Easter items, it's because I totally do. So I'm going to go one by one and pick out things that are just garbage, no good. And then I'm also going to make a separate pile for donate items. Remember when these were all in? Not anymore. I don't know. I don't know. I have a hard time parting with some of these things, but I'm going to try my best to just weed it all out and not have so much. I didn't use this last year or anything, so I know this has got to go to donate. Yeah, see, this is broken. I tried to fix it, but it's broken. It's done. This is garbage. Yay! First bin. That was the easiest one. That's why I started with that one. But these here are gonna take way longer. Pray for me. I am definitely not a minimalist. I'm more of a maximalist, I guess. I am trying to change that though. So this is me trying to do this. I'm trying to just get rid of things that just don't bring me joy anymore, that I'm not feeling it anymore. And it felt amazing to do this. It felt like a weight lifted off in a way. And I'm excited to be able to do this with all of my decor as the seasons come by and just reduce the amount of things, because it can get a little overwhelming. I don't know about you, but I feel like so much stuff can get overwhelming and then you run out of room and everything. So I'm trying to be more purposeful with the things that I get, and we'll see how that goes. I hope I can do this, guys. Okay guys, so this is everything that I'm donating. I have a whole entire bin full, and then this bag there is garbage. So I'm really happy I was able to get rid of a lot of stuff, and here's what I'm keeping. Still gotta like sort it out. I could probably squeeze all this stuff into 2 bins. We'll see. It feels so good to do this. I also did this with my Valentine's Day decor. This is all the stuff I'm donating for that. It's a big bag full of stuff. And yeah, it feels so good. All right, my friends, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to start decorating for spring, and I'll be sharing that with you. Hit that subscribe button and that like button and turn on your bell notifications so you can know when I post my next video. Thank you. Bye.